Hi there guys, welcome to Such Is Life, a channel dedicated to exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy revolving around it. On this channel, we will delve into a variety of topics related to life and how we live it, including personal growth, relationships, and the search for meaning and purpose. Whether you are a seasoned philosopher or just starting to think about the big questions in life, we hope you will join us on this journey of discovery and self-exploration. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the mysteries of life together. In today's video we explore the definition of AI. What do we know about the genesis of AI? Its current application and/or potential application in the future? How do we navigate the future that will incorporate AI with even more vigor than the current state? Should it be considered a threat or an opportunity to humans? So let's start by breaking down some key components of the discussion. AI is a multidisciplinary field that draws on techniques and concepts from computer science, mathematics, psychology, and other fields to create intelligent systems and machines that can perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. At its core, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes, such as learning, reasoning, and self-correction, by computer systems. Learning, in the context of AI, refers to the ability of a system to acquire new information and rules for using that information. This can be done through various methods such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Reasoning is the process of using the rules acquired through learning to reach approximate or definite conclusions. This can include tasks such as decision-making, problem-solving, and planning. Reasoning can be done through various methods such as rule-based systems, logic-based systems, and probabilistic reasoning. Self-correction refers to the ability of a system to detect and correct errors in its own processes. This can include tasks such as detecting and correcting errors in its own output, or adjusting its own internal parameters to improve performance. The concept of AI can be traced back as early as the 1950s, when pioneers such as Alan Turing proposed the Turing test as a way to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior that is indistinguishable from that of a human. The test involves a human evaluator who interacts with both a human and a machine, and must determine which is which based on the responses of the two. During the 1950s and 1960s, AI research focused primarily on symbolic reasoning and rule-based systems. This approach, known as good old-fashioned AI, GAFI, aimed to create intelligent systems by explicitly encoding knowledge and rules. However, despite some early successes, this approach faced limitations and failed to deliver on the promise of creating truly intelligent machines. In the 1970s and 1980s, AI research shifted towards the use of expert systems, which aimed to capture the knowledge and expertise of human experts in a specific domain and make it available to a computer system. These systems relied on a combination of symbolic reasoning and rule-based systems and were successful in a number of specific domains such as medical diagnosis and mineral exploration. It wasn't until the 1990s that AI began to make significant advancements, thanks to the increased availability of data and computational power. The increased availability of data allowed for the development of machine learning techniques, which enable computers to learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed. Additionally, the increased computational power made it possible to train large neural networks, which are now the foundation of state-of-the-art AI systems. Now that we understand the genesis of AI, let's explore some of the applications of AI to automate tasks that were previously done by humans. One such example is in self-driving cars, which use a combination of sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. These cars use technologies such as computer vision, sensor fusion, and machine learning to understand their environment, make decisions, and control the vehicle. Another example is voice assistants like Apple's Siri or Amazon's Alexa, which use natural language processing to understand and respond to spoken commands. These systems can perform tasks such as playing music, setting reminders, making phone calls, and providing information. These voice-controlled devices are used in homes, cars and smartphones, and have made it easier for people to interact with technology and access information. Chatbot applications, which are computer programs that are designed to simulate conversation with human users, also use heavy AI applications. These chatbots are used in customer service, e-commerce, and other industries to provide quick and efficient assistance to customers. Additionally, AI-based predictive maintenance is used in manufacturing and other industries to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance. This helps to minimize downtime and increase efficiency. While AI has the potential or already shown to replace humans in certain tasks from the previous applications highlighted before, it is important to note the limitations of current AI technology and the ethical implications of automating certain jobs from both philosophical and scientific perspectives. a broader conversation about how society can navigate the changes brought about by AI in a way that is fair and beneficial for all should be a pertinent discussion to have by all relevant stakeholders on the matter. From a philosophical perspective, the potential of AI to replace humans in certain tasks raises questions about the meaning of work and the role of technology in society. Some argue that work is not just a means of earning a living, but also a source of purpose, identity, and social connections. If AI becomes capable of performing many of the tasks that currently require human labor, it could lead to a fundamental shift in the way we think about work and its role in our lives. From a scientific perspective, on the other hand, it is important to consider the limitations of current AI technology. While AI has made significant advancements in recent years, it is still not capable of replicating many of the complex skills and abilities that humans possess, such as creativity, common sense, and emotional intelligence. Furthermore, there are certain jobs that require human-level intelligence and judgment, such as certain types of creative thinking, medical diagnosis, and legal judgment, that AI may not be able to replace for a long time, if ever. AI systems, such as machine learning models, are trained on large amounts of data, which is used to learn patterns and relationships that can be used to make predictions or decisions. These patterns and relationships are based on the data that the model has been trained on, so the model's ability to generate new ideas and concepts is limited to the scope of the data it has seen. This is one of the main limitations of AI today, as it means that the model is only able to generate answers that are based on the information it has been given, rather than coming up with new ideas and concepts on its own. However, as AI systems are fed more and more data, they are able to learn more about the world and make more accurate predictions. They can also be trained on multiple datasets and combine them together to generate new and more accurate predictions. This is where the ability to analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately comes in. This can lead to new insights and discoveries that humans may not have been able to make on their own, and it can also help to uncover patterns and relationships that were previously unknown. There is also ongoing research in the field of AI to develop algorithms that can generate new ideas and concepts. For example, Generative Pre-training Transformer 3, GPT-3, is an AI model that is able to generate human-like text. It can be used to write stories, poetry, and even code. GPT-3 is able to generate new ideas and concepts by using a deep neural network that is trained on a wide range of text data. Moreover, there are also generative adversarial networks, GANs, that are able to generate new images, videos, audio, and other types of media. These models are able to generate new ideas and concepts by using a combination of generative and discriminative models that are trained on large amounts of data. Additionally, it is important to consider the ethical implications of automating certain jobs. Automation can lead to job displacement, which can have a significant impact on individuals, communities, and entire industries. It is important to have a discussion on how to mitigate the negative impact of automation on those who lose their jobs, such as retraining programs, education, and social safety nets. Considerations on the impact of automation on the distribution of wealth and power, as well as its impact on the overall economy, will also need to be pondered upon. While AI has the potential to increase efficiency and productivity, it also has the potential to exacerbate existing inequalities and create new ones. Navigating a world in which AI applications are in abundance requires a proactive and forward-thinking approach. The key is to view AI not as a threat but rather a tool to enhance human capabilities. One way to do this is to invest in education and training to develop the skills needed to work with AI. This includes not only technical skills but also soft skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. It is important to ensure that people have access to the resources and opportunities to develop these skills, regardless of their background or current occupation. Another way to navigate the world of AI is to encourage collaboration between AI experts and domain experts. AI applications are most effective when they are designed and developed in partnership with people who have deep knowledge and understanding of the specific domain, such as healthcare, finance, or manufacturing. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to improve our lives and solve some of the world's most pressing problems. So what can we conclude from this? It is clear that the increasing prevalence of AI applications in society presents both opportunities and challenges. Those who are prepared and proactive in their approach to AI will be best positioned to take advantage of its benefits, and to mitigate any negative effects. This means viewing AI not as a threat but as a tool to enhance human capabilities, investing in education and training, encouraging collaboration between AI experts and domain experts, being mindful of ethical considerations, and being aware of the potential impact of AI on the job market. By being prepared and proactive, we can harness the power of AI to improve our lives and solve some of the world's most pressing problems. And as the saying goes, opportunity favors the prepared mind. It also has to be said that humans have a history of adapting to new situations and technologies, and the emergence of AI is no different. Throughout history, new technologies and innovations have often led to the creation of new jobs, rather than simply replacing existing ones. The rise of AI is likely to be no different and will likely lead to new job opportunities and career paths. It is true that some jobs may become automated, but it is also true that new jobs will be created as a result of the increased use of AI. For example, jobs related to AI development, deployment, and maintenance will become more in demand. Additionally, new jobs may emerge in areas such as data analysis, cybersecurity, and user experience design, as AI systems become more prevalent. Humans have always been able to adapt to new situations and technologies, and the revolution of AI will only steer humans in another trajectory rather than outrightly replacing them. The key is to be prepared and proactive in acquiring the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in this new world. It is also important to have an open mind and be willing to learn new things, as well as to collaborate with others to find innovative solutions to the challenges presented by new technologies such as AI. So there you go, folks. Thanks for joining us on Such Is Life channel for this brief thought experiment. We hope that you have enjoyed exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy with us. Remember, life is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, and there is always more to learn and discover. We encourage you to continue thinking deeply about the big questions in life and to seek out new experiences and perspectives that can help you to grow and evolve. We look forward to sharing more insights and ideas with you on future episodes of Such Is Life. If you like the content, we would love to hear your comments below, and remember to have a healthy discussion so we all can benefit together. We would appreciate it if you could share, like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be updated with our upcoming thought-provoking discussions on this channel. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the mysteries of life.